Hello everyone, my name is Imran and today we are going to talk about how to add products in Shopify. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, on the left side of the menu you will find products. Click on this option and here you can see I have two products already, but we are going to add from the top right corner. Just click on this option and here you can see we can add all the details of our product. I'm going to add a code over here for this tutorial obviously, and you can add a description if you want, but I'm not going to do that. You can even ask and generate a text from AI also. So, but right now I'm just going to leave it as it is. And obviously you can insert image and video also over here. But you can add that into your media also. Just click on this upload new. I'm going to upload my code over here. And this is the code which I am selling right now. And at the bottom you will find the pricing. Once you add the pricing over here, you can just check mark this charge text on this product. And if you're not, just click on uncheck and it will be gone. Make sure to add profit and margin at the cost per item also. I'm going to leave it as it is. At the bottom we have inventory. If you want to show your audience your inventory, how much quantity you have of it, you can leave it as it is, and if not, just click on this one and it will not be tracked. After that, this product has a SKU or barcode. If yes, just click on this and add that over here. We have shipping over here, how much fish shipping will cost on this weight. So make sure to add that, and you can also add custom information, and we have variants also like different size and colors. If you want to add that, you can also do that. Let's say I have XL, click on done, and at the bottom you will see the pricing of that. Also, if you want to change that, you can also do that, and how much you want to show your audience, like how much we have that available. So you can also create that over here. And make sure to click on the top right corner save once you're done with this. And obviously you can add the product type over here, vendor collection. If you have collections for your own products, specific products like this one. Right now don't have it, and I have for electronics but not for this one. So you can create a collection over here also if you want. And we have our tags over here to find your products easily. Once you do all of that stuff, just click on the top right corner save and it will be saved as your product. So you can see we have our product over here also, and you can see you can export your product, you can import your product from somewhere with the CSV file also. We have our second option also from drop shipping. If you click on bottom left corner add apps, you can see we have our option for drop shipping. You can also do drop shipping by itself. Obviously you just need to go ahead and Shopify and add that application in your Shopify store, like this one CJ dropshipping also available over here. So there are multiple ways also to add your product through different store also. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to add products in Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.